Okay, so we're going to continue with the relationship between price elasticity of demand and also total revenue. Okay, so the the concept of price elasticity of demand is actually very important for the producers lah. Kenapa? Sebab it's um, the price elasticity of demand will give the indication to the producers on how much the price to be determined. Maksudnya kalaulah demand untuk sesuatu barang itu inelastic, so what the producer should do, either to increase or decrease the price, So basically, total revenue is the reward ataupun gain, um, for the producers. Okay, so total revenue. So how to find the total revenue is basically just take price times with the quantity. So that is the total revenue. Okay. So basically untuk find the relationship ni kita tengok three degree sajalah, So the first degree is demand, price elasticity of demand is unitary elastic. So whenever the price elasticity of demand, is unitary elastic, this means that price and quantity demanded will change in the same percentage lah. Kalau price increase by 1%, quantity demanded reduced by 1%. So here, when price changes, there will be no change in the total revenue. So this is not a problem lah, tak kisahlah. Tapi kalau the second one, demand is inelastic, so what producer should do? So in order for producer to increase its total revenue, the producer should increase the price of goods and services belongs to the demand inelastic goods lah. Contohnya, I give you example. So demand inelastic barang yang kita tidak begitu sensitif dengan harga lah. Maknanya kita kalau harga naik ke turun ke, kita tetap consume. Maybe kita kurangkan sedikit saja kalau harga tu naik. So kita ambil example petrol lah. So for example, if the price of petrol is RM1 per litre and the consumer consumed 15 liters, so what would be the revenue? 1 times 15, 15 ringgit. If the price increased to RM1.50, kita akan nampak RM1.50, jadi barang ini barang inelastic, jadi dia akan reduce the consumption bila harga meningkat, tapi sedikit saja, daripada 15 turun 13 saja. So the total revenue is RM19.50. So you can see here, when the demand is inelastic, when price increases, total revenue will increase. And the third one is demand elastic. So kalau barang itu demand elastic means consumers are sensitive and responsive towards price change. Harga berubah menyebabkan kuantiti demand berubah dengan banyak, sama ada naik atau turun lah. Jadi to increase total revenue, usually producer should reduce the price. Kita ambil contoh lah. So bag ni barang-barang yang senang kita dapat pengganti, banyak substitutes. Jadi kita akan bila harga berubah, harga meningkat, kita akan cari yang lebih murah lah. We have many choices. So for example, if the price is RM20, let's say people demand 10 units of bag, so the revenue is RM200. Let's say the price increase to RM30, okay, sebab barang ni demand elastic, people have many choices, dia boleh cari yang lebih murah. So the demand will reduce dengan banyak lah to 5 units. Jadi kita darabkan, kita akan dapat 150. So bila price increase, the total revenue decrease for the demand elastic goods. So what a rational producer will do, whenever demand is inelastic, the producer will increase price to increase total revenue. Whereas when the demand is elastic, to increase total revenue, producer will reduce the price.